Hello there and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Frances and we are opening up 5 from Pin Trading Night of these toys in a box. So these I believe released at Disney Store or like the one in New York and got pulled, but they also got released for this event and they will most likely be in the stores tomorrow because that's how it works. Retails for $22.99 before discounts or tax or anything. These are what you can get. And so it is Mickey, Stitch, Jiminy Cricket, Cheshire, Pooh, Mr. Toad, Marie, and Figment. If you're new here, you don't know the 2 that I want, but we don't jinx things in this house, so I'll let you know when I get them. But there are 2 very specific ones that I want from this set. So we are opening up all of my things, just putting them here on the floor next to me, and we will see what I get. Those are my backer cards. Okay, first one. We have a Jiminy Cricket. And these are not limited release, and they do have the cubic zirconium on them. Show the back. There's that one. We got Pooh Bear. Another Pooh Bear. That's a Mickey ear. Oop. Sometimes I need scissors and sometimes they come out just fine. There's Mickey. See, I'm trying to see from the back. Nope, doesn't. Yay, I lied. So, boom. We got a Figgy Mint. Love that for me. That one rips nice and clean. We got a Cheshire Cat. Okay, we got both that I wanted. So this one was successful. So far the 25th anniversary has been the only one that is not successful. If you watched that video, we didn't get that guy, which I wanted badly. Oh, we got another Figment. He's gonna be a solid trader. We got Marie. Marie's not bad. And the last one. Another Cheshire, so I don't think I completed this. Let's see who I'm missing. Where's the box? I did not get just Mr. Toad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, just missing Mr. Toad. So that one wasn't actually bad. Ignore the 25th anniversary ones that are upside down. But that was the pulls from these ones. Not bad, not bad. We got one more to go, so film in the next one. Catch you. I don't know what I did. Catch you later.